O'Keeffe's Lip Repair is hardworking skincare that provides instant relief to extremely dry, cracked lips. Heals, relieves and repairs extremely dry, cracked lips. Creates a multi-layer flexible barrier that moves with your lips to help keep dry, cracked lips protected. Absorbs quickly to provide soft, smooth lips. Keeps lips moisturized for 8 hours. O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Lip Balm provides the same incredible results customers have come to expect from O'Keeffe's moisturizers, now in a lip balm. O'Keeffe's Lip Repair is hardworking skincare that provides instant relief to extremely dry, cracked lips. O'Keeffe's Lip Repair is a highly effective lip balm that heals, relieves and repairs extremely dry, cracked lips. When used daily, O'Keeffe's Lip Repair is clinically proven to provide instant relief and all-day moisture in one use, create a flexible barrier and heal dry, cracked lips, protect against dryness all day, even while you eat and drink, and absorb quickly to provide soft, smooth lips. Top reviews from the United States. This is the only product that works. I have dry lips, skin and hair. I have tried all kinds of products and this is the only thing that really works. Put it on just before bed and wake up with healed lips. No bitter taste either.